Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today's video tutorial is about Shopify, and if you go on Shopify, basically how to delete your Shopify store. So let's suppose for some reason you want to delete your Shopify store, so how are you gonna do it? So I'm going to show you in this video. So what you need to do is basically, once you're in your store, what you need to do is on the left bottom corner you find setting, click on settings, and what you need to do is click on plans. Once you go on plans, what's going to happen is it's going to show you that the plan that you are basically subscribed to. Since I have a trial version, I made this dummy Shopify store just for this tutorial's sake. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on deactivate plan, and it's going to, load up a bit. After that, you need to select a reason, and after that, what you're going to do is, just write something if you want to. It's optional, continue, and then after that enter your password. Just like this, you will be able to delete your Shopify store. So this is pretty much it. But if you have multiple stores, what you need to do is click here on your account on the right top corner and go to stores. And once here, you would need to click on the store that you have, right? And once in that store, then you will have to use the same process that we used previously, which was basically going to the setting. Okay, sorry, it's just creating something new, but that's pretty much it. Go to the setting and plan, and after that deactivate, and that's it. You have deactivated your Shopify store successfully. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please drop a like, comment if you have any question, subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.